Good morning, traders. It's Monday, June the 30th, 2025, and we're closing out a month that's been nothing short of historic for global commodities. Let's walk through the latest cross-commodity moves with a sharp focus on the geopolitical drivers and what they mean for your trading book. Oil markets have cooled sharply after a tumultuous June. Brent crude is down nearly 1% this morning, trading at $67.11, while WTI sits at $64.58. The catalyst, of course, is easing geopolitical risks as the Israel-Iran ceasefire, brokered by the US, continues to hold. Just 2 weeks ago, oil spiked above $80 after Israel struck Iranian nuclear sites and the US joined in. But the risk premium has all but evaporated as OPEC signals another output hike for August, its fifth consecutive monthly increase. If you're trading crude, keep an eye on the July 6 OPEC meeting and be nimble. Supply-side headlines could quickly reverse this calm. Gold and silver are holding firm as safe haven demands persist amid ongoing global uncertainty. Gold is up 31% year-to-date and continues to attract flows as investors hedge against the possibility of renewed geopolitical shocks or a retreat in the US dollar. Silver too remains resilient, staying above 1 lakh per kilo for a third week running. If you're in precious metals, consider maintaining core long exposure and use options to manage event-driven volatility. Base metals still are a mixed bag. Copper prices have been volatile with supply chain jitters from the Middle East conflict and ongoing Chinese demand. Despite a recent dip, copper inventories remain tight and a renewed geopolitical risk could see prices spike again. Aluminium is rebounding while nickel continues to struggle with oversupply. If you're trading metals, look for spread opportunities and watch for sharp moves tied to macro headlines and tariffs. In ags, grains are steady after a volatile month. Corn and wheat have shrugged off tight inventories as traders focus on robust Brazilian production and improving US weather. Soybeans saw a mid-June spike on new US biofuel mandates, but have since stabilized. Coffee and sugar are both under pressure from strong harvests in Brazil and India respectively. If you're active in ags, keep positions nimble and monitor weather and logistics for the next catalyst. Geopolitically, the ceasefire between Israel and Iran has removed much of the immediate risk premium from energy and metals, but the market remains on alert for any reversal. OPEC's meeting on July the 6th is the next key event for oil, while global trade policy and US tariff decisions continue to drive metals volatility. If you're trading oil, metals or ags, stay nimble, use real-time risk tools and be ready to pivot as headlines break. The only constant in today's markets is change. ENTRADE brings all your trading, risk and operations into one platform, giving you real-time visibility and streamlined workflows so you can act with confidence and turn this volatility into opportunity. Have a great rest of the week.